Hey, Ryan Reynolds here, and Tazik doing wine barrels today. Let's get it. All right, so we're gonna start off by putting 3 fence gates, spruce specifically. Then you want to put a fence in the middle, put some spruce fence gates on the sides. Then after that, for the hardest part, you want to put some spruce planks. Then you want to put it just like this. Then after that, you want to put a barrel just like that. It's gonna give this unique design on the front. So now we're gonna place more barrels around this barrel, just like so. After that, you want to grab your spruce planks and you want to place it by the barrels. I'm gonna place 2 blocks on every single side. It's gonna look like a cross. Then on every corner, you want to place some spruce stairs, just like so. You will also need trapdoors for the sides and on the top. And for the small details, we want to use 4 spruce signs on every single barrel. Then finally, we're gonna use a tripwire hook on the center. We're done. Look at our wine barrel. Isn't it cool, Tazik? Now, if you're feeling a little bit extra, you can use a Minecraft head by using commands and just put it on the floor. And that'll be all. You subscribe if you want to see more.
Subscribe.
And I love you. Bye-bye.